Hey, we're Bo and Kyle from Woodworth Throwbacks.
And this is how to refinish a door.
The front door at our Corktown house is pretty messed up.
But under the old stains and varnish should be some nice looking oak.
First, we remove the door and hardware.
I need help.
You can't even see the wood grain. This is an oak door.
Then we sand it to raw wood.
We use a few different sanding techniques, depending on what part of the door we were stripping.
We fix the veneer by hammering in some of the loose panels.
Then, fill in the voids with some wood filler.
We mix in some stain to help color match.
A little trick we learned in the shop.
Then we stain the wood and seal with some outdoor sealer.
Once everything dries, hang that baby back up.
Oh yeah, and cross your fingers that no one robs you when you didn't have a front door.